Hi everyone, I just wanted to unbox my new MacBook Air 2020 and I'm gonna use this for college. So yeah, let's take a tour of the box. So right up here we have a MacBook Air logo, Apple logo, once again MacBook Air, Apple logo, MacBook Air side view, and yeah, nothing much in the back. So I was about to get this guy out to unbox it, but looks like there's already a pull tab right here. So yeah, let's get started. Make it so much simpler. Whoops. It's not the best tripod. Alright. Let's go, and I'm going to put this plastic aside. Alright, I think yeah. Let's open it up. Wow, look at that. I got the silver because I really do like the silver color. Let's put that aside. Looks like we got some information. Signed by Apple in California. Let's look through that. Let's put these two aside. Let's put this aside actually. So, MacBook Air looks like a quick start guide. And legal information. I doubt anyone reads that. And looks like color matching Apple stickers. That's nice. And I believe I missed one thing here. Oh no, I didn't. Looked like there was a little booklet in there. Let's put those back. And returning to the box, we got ourselves the power brick, Usbc, and looks like a USB-C to USB-C power connector, power cord. So let's take these out of the wrappers. So looks like there's a pull tab right here. Oops, whatever. And looks like you can detach. Looks like this thing you can take out and put in extension cords. USB-C to USB-C. Looks like they also have some pull tabs. Not that long, but not too short, looks like. Well, got some rubbish everywhere. Alright, now. Oh yeah, and I forgot, I got this Anker USB-C dongle. Or, well, yeah, dongle. Because I knew this is only going to have a couple USB-C ports. Whatever. So let's take out the wrapper. So it looks like there's it pulls out in the back here. Very nice Apple packaging. And we can pull it out. Alright, let's take a tour of the device. So we have I believe it's stamped in. I don't know what kind of Apple logo that they put, but it's really reflective and that looks pretty high quality. So on this side, we have a couple Thunderbolt 3 ports. On the back, there's nothing. I think that they moved on to this unified style. And we have ourselves the single headphone jack here. And yeah. So let's do the first boot. Wow. I believe these these start up immediately when you open them up the first time. Let's take that out. And there we go. That is nice. I'm gonna go through the first few steps of the thing. So we have this backlit keyboard, big touchpad, and looks like a Touch ID over there. So yeah, English as our main language.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Alright. And let's scroll down. United States. Alright, and I'll sign into my Wi-Fi network. A beautiful Retina display looks like. And I don't have a Mac. And I'll do that later. Definitely agree to the terms and conditions. And I don't like this, so I'll just pick something else. I like the snowflake looks pretty nice. And let's not enable everything. Force touch trackpad, it feels weird coming from a regular kind of trackpad, but it's nice. No analytics. I don't want to set up screen time. Let's enable Siri, might as well. I'll set it up later. Nope, I do not want to. Maybe a few more fields so we have to do. Let's do Touch ID. Actually, let's set that up later. I like the auto because I like it to switch between light and dark. I'll do this. Alright. And there we have it. Very nice. macOS Catalina. Looks like we got some battery still. Sweet. Well, thank you for watching my unboxing video, and I'll see you around.